Today, we take a look at the world's most prolific serial killer in history. Harold Shipman, a British general practitioner, was found guilty of 15 murders and possibly over 218 more murders. He injected them with lethal doses of painkillers.
If you want to become a serial killer, become a doctor, because nobody will stop you, and nobody did.
Harold Frederick Shipman was born in 1946 in Nottingham, England. He and his mother had a very close relationship, up until her death when he was just about 17. Significantly, her passing left him with an indelible image, the patient with a cup of tea nearby, finding sweet relief in morphine. It's a scene he would create 100 times in the future. Shipman grew up as mostly a loner with only a few friends. He was admitted to Leeds University Medical School, where he studied medicine. He was an accomplished athlete on the football field and the running track. He worked as an intern, eventually getting hired as a general practitioner. Shipman also married during this time and had 4 children. Shipman was a family doctor in the small town of Hyde. Everyone knew and liked him, and no one really questioned the friendly town doctor. In 1976, after being caught for forging prescriptions of pethidine for his own drug use, he was fined, considered cured, and allowed to practice medicine again. This is when his unusual killing spree began. Shipman would normally target elderly women and dose them with high amounts of diamorphine, a drug used for pain control in cancer patients. His victims exhibited similar poses upon death. They were always found sitting upright, fully clothed, and with a cup of tea in front of them. Shipman would forge the will of victims, typically leaving all of their assets to him. His reign of terror ceased in 1998. Around this time, his fellow doctors noticed an unusually high death rate among his patients. The daughter of his final victim was a lawyer, and was concerned that her elderly mother left everything to her doctor, considering she handled all of her legal matters. She informed the police, and they exhumed the body of her mother. They found traces of diamorphine, which led to further extensive investigation. Shipman was arrested in September of 1998. Shipman was found guilty of killing 15 patients with lethal injections of morphine and sentenced to life in prison without parole. During the trial, Shipman claimed he enjoyed exercising control over life and death. Shipman committed suicide by hanging in his cell on January 13, 2004. After his death, further investigation revealed that Shipman could have killed upwards of 218 of his patients. Thanks for watching. I'm Dom from Criminal Profiles.
Alright, kick back, relax, and let's hit it again. While you go tell your mother, father, cousin, the kid, and your other friends that don't even have a clue what this to-do crew is about to do.